Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today I am going to do some simple table runner and placemats. This fabric, I just got it at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so I just grabbed a couple yards each. And what I did is I took a strip and I cut it lengthwise so that I have one long piece, and I did the same to the red. And this one is 12 inches and this one is 19 inches. And what I'm going to do is I am going to sew along these seams here, and then I'm going to take these two edges and sew along there, and it'll make kind of a tube. And then I will iron it open so that we end up with some borders on each side, and then I will go from there. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, I've got it pressed open. You turn it right side out and press it out. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise with the top on the outside. And I am going to, I think I'm going to trim those ends nice and neat. And then I'm going to sew. And then I will trim off just a tip of each corner. And then we will turn it right side out. So let's get to that. Okay, I'm going to iron the seam to one side, and then I am going to top stitch across here. Okay, this measures 15 inches across, so I put the seam at 7.5 inches. Keep in mind you can make this as long or short as you want, or wide as narrow as you want, depending on your table. I better change threads. Okay, the table runner is finished. You can embellish it. You can put pom-poms on the end or jingle bells. You can put applique here. You can put any kind of ribbon or rickrack or whatever you want along here if you want, or just, you know, hand stitch or something. But you've got, it's all completely finished. Just need to cut off the threads. So, let's see. we can get that, that's a little better. But that is super quick, super easy, and it would make a great gift. So next I want to do some placemats for it with the extra fabric. Okay, I have an 8 by 14 inch strip of fabric here for my top. I have two 2.5 inch strips and two 2.5 by 14 inch strips. So first I'm going to attach the short sides, right sides together. Okay, I miscalculated and cut the wrong size of strip for the outside. I cut it the same width as this, and I forgot to add the borders. No surprise there. So now I've got 2.5 by 18, and I will add those on. Okay, let me get that ironed open and squared up, and I'll be right back. Okay, because I went quick and easy and quite frankly a little lazy, these are not going to be quilted, so there will be no batting. So we're just got the top and the back right sides together. I'm going to sew all the way around, leaving a space. I'll turn it right side out, iron those edges in, and then top stitch around and probably stitch around the border as well, and that will keep everything in place. Okay, I'm going to clip these corners just a little bit and turn it right side out and press it, and I will be back. Okay, I've got this open edge folded in, so now I'm just going to top stitch after I change my thread. Okay, I put in, for my machine, it's presser foot 5. I think this is called the blind hem stitch. It's been so long I can't remember the name. But it's got this little plate that I can press my fabric against. My needle is moved over, so it will just be nice and even. And I think I'm going to go around here as well. Okay, I've got the placemats finished. This is the table runner, and it finishes at 15 by 42, and the placemats are like 11.5 by 17. So there's those. Everything was just very, very easy and very quick. I also made this one the same way I made the snowman one, and it is 20 by 72, I believe. Yes. And this took me about 45 minutes. So they are very fast, quick, easy. You make them for the size, the table that you want. This would be great for a kid's table at Christmas. And I hope you try something like this and have lots of fun with it. And I thank you for watching. I hope you join me next time on Nana's Journey.